The country's top political parties won't even spare the father of India's constitution on his 123rd birth anniversary. There is a battle raging as we speak to take credit for Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's legacy, and they are all fighting hard, using him for the Dalit vote.
कांग्रेस पार्टी के शहजादे उनको पता नहीं क्यों बाबा साहब आंबेडकर का आए दिन अपमान करने में आनंद आ रहा है.
They fought over Sardar Patel's legacy in the past. Now, on his 123rd birth anniversary, the fight is over who will appropriate Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Modi not sparing Rahul over the legacy of the father of the Indian Constitution, as the BJP claimed credit for awarding him the Bharat Ratna.
जब भाजपा समर्थन वाली दिल्ली में सरकार बनी, तब जाकर के बाबा साहब को भारत रत्न दिया गया. बाबा साहब आंबेडकर को सबसे अधिक अपमानित किया है वो कांग्रेस पार्टी ने किया है.
The fight for Ambedkar only getting sharper as the Congress hit back.
श्री नरेंद्र मोदी की दलित विरोधी मानसिकता, दलित विरोधी सोच और दलित विरोधी शैली किसी से भी छुपी नहीं है. वो हमारे दलित भाइयों को मानसिक रूप से पिछड़ा और विक्षिप्त बताते हैं.
With the BJP and the Congress at loggerheads over Ambedkar's legacy, the renewed pitch for Ambedkar is seen as a scramble for the Dalit votes, coming just days ahead of the crucial phase in both Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh.
Let's just look at the 2013 Madhya Pradesh Assembly elections as a case study to see how Mayawati has been losing traction among Dalit voters. The BSP lost 29% of its core base, losing 4.3% of its vote share between 2008 and 2013. Assuming that the BSP loses its core votes in UP as well, just like it did in Madhya Pradesh, say it loses about 20% of its core base, then the new vote share thus becomes 22%. Thus, Mayawati needs to ensure 100% consolidation of Dalit votes in 2014. With BJP strongly wooing the Dalit, is Mayawati's clout under threat?
Despite the trends, BSP Supremo Mayawati slamming the BJP PM nominee for invoking Ambedkar's name, stating that the Dalit vote is not shifting towards the BJP.
पूरे देश को ये मैसेज देना चाह रहे हैं कि हमारी पार्टी ने बाबा साहब डॉक्टर अंबेडकर को भारत रत्न की उपाधि से सम्मानित करवाया. इस किस्म की गलत बयानबाजी करके लोगों को गुमराह कर रहे हैं.
Clearly, the fight for Dr. Ambedkar taking precedence in the scramble for the Dalit votes. But is Ambedkar's legacy any one political party's to claim? Bureau Report, Times Now.